Hi everybody, I am back, as you could tell by the title, that this is a haul and it's obviously beauty related. In the USA they have Sephora and Ultra sales. They have 20% off, 15 if you're VIP or something, and then it goes down. But in the UK we don't get that, but what we do get is constant sales. Makeup that's they just decide to put on sale. Now obviously the Sephora sale, you can get it off any product. In the UK you have to get it off certain products, so this is why I get a lot of deals, and a lot of my goods are not full price because I refuse to pay full price, because I know in 2 weeks it's going to have gone down, or I'll get buy one get one free, or we get in the UK, which I know you do, but in the USA you get your coupons, whereas we don't need coupons. We just, if the shop's got an offer on Maybelline, then you just buy off Maybelline. If you're in Boots and they've got 3 for 2 on makeup, and I don't know if everybody knows this, but you can actually mix and match with any brand, not just Maybelline. You know, if you see the sign for 3 for 2 on Maybelline and L'Oreal, you can mix them. If you don't believe me, ask them, because I did one day and she was like, yeah. For me, that's what I found amazing about it. I went shopping and did some damage to my wallet. So I'll start off with what I showed you at the beginning. This is the DKNY Be Delicious perfume, and I paid £20 instead of 40. I bought these $1 Billion Smile tooth whitening strips. You got 2 packs of these. They'd gone down to £30, and then they were buy one get one half price, so I got 2 of them. I want to try them, see if I can do anything, but mainly my stains are in between my teeth, which are really hard to get at. I don't know, but I'm going to give them a go. But then obviously I went to Lush and I bought 2 of the cinnamon soaps, shampoo bars. I love these, I really do. One's for my daughter and one's for me. And then I got the Don't Look at Me Fresh Matte Face Mask. Now this is the one that I absolutely love, in the blue one. This is the blue one, I love this. And then I got my Sandstone soap, and this was £5.93 because I just picked the block that was there. It is actually cheaper to have it cut down to the thing, but this is the size that I wanted, because I can chop this in half and use it. I use this to exfoliate my arms. I don't exfoliate my legs with it because it's too harsh, but for my arms. And then also for my daughter, I bought her this Quick Cook Vegetarian. She is a vegetarian, but she's had to become vegetarian because of her health, not because of any other reason. This is for her because there's 30 minutes, 20 minutes and 10 minutes cook, and because she's at uni. And the other thing that I bought for her is the Celebrate gift card, and I just put £20 on it so that she can buy essentials without having to think, because at uni you don't get a lot of money. £20 on a gift card isn't much, but it's enough when you want shampoos and your conditioner. Well, that's what she's going to save it towards. And I don't think there's anything else in here for her. I think the rest is just for me. Then I brought the Rimmel Lasting Radiance foundation in the shade 07 Porcelain. And I actually got 2 of these because it was buy one get one free. But I bought 2 for the shade to see, because one was porcelain, one was ivory. This one works, so I'm taking the other one back, and they'll just give me £5 back, so I've only paid technically £5 for this. Ka-ching! I also have brought the Dream Setting Liquid from Maybelline. This would have also been on a deal. I've got another foundation here to try, not that I need it anymore, but I also got the Girl on Paris Terracotta, and this is gorgeous, guys. It really is. This is when I said it's like I got 50% off this, so this cost me £25, but it's beautiful. This is going to be the one that I have around for a long time, and it actually, there's like a pull tab here, just here, that you can pull, and you can pull it out. I've done it once, but I was frightened of breaking it, so I'm not doing it again. But yeah, £25 from House of Fraser. And then the Elizabeth Arden from House of Fraser. This was originally £28 and I got it for £14. And because I like my other one so much, but I didn't want to pay £28 again, £14 will do for me, thank you very much. And this is a light summer colour, and I wear it and it'll be nice, and I got them. Then on Facebook somebody had put a tab link into Anastasia, basically saying 50% off their contour palette. Now my daughter's got one that's actually into makeup and wears makeup more than me, our other daughter, and when I saw that it was half price of £21, I went and got it because she absolutely loves hers and we're both the same colouring, and for half price, I mean, and this was the official website of Anastasia. I know, because in a minute I'm going to show you what else I brought. Yeah, £21, guys. So in America, having 20% off everything is wonderful, but having 50% off is even better for us, because a lot of times Debenham, House of Fraser have 15% off things anyway. And then the other things that these were brought first before I brought the glow kit, and I brought the Navina palette. I brought the Navina palette, which I told you guys I wanted, and I was waiting for a sale, so I've got that one. I also went and got the Prism one because I don't like the subculture. I get the subculture to my daughter, but I like the look of this, and it's got very similar colours, not exactly the same, guys, before you're jumping down my throat, but similar colours to the other one. And then I also got the Riviera palette, which, guys, has been out a month, if that. It's been out a month or so. I got 25% off them. You guys are getting 20% off everything. Although these are technically, we can't go in and get a foundation with 20% off. But when we get our products, we can seem to get more off. I've also done the CIATE foundation, which went out a couple of weeks ago, and when I did that order, I also ordered the CIATE glitter flick, because for delivery, free delivery, I needed to spend another £5, and these were 11, and these had gone down, and I think they're something like, I want to say about £18, I don't know, I can't remember off the top of my head, but I know they were on sale. If I'd paid for the delivery, that would have been £6, I think it was. So basically, like £11, but £6.50 each. Bargain. So the next thing I go, which is a glow. The next thing that I wanted to try out, but didn't want to pay £40 for it, is the Glam Glow Glow Setter Setting Spray. I've heard good things about this, and this was £9. It had 10% off. I was like, I can give it a go for that price. The Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder, again 10% off. I can't tell you how much this was. I think it might have been £13 or something, but then you got your 10% off. So I got that. And then I also got the Smashbox Photo Primerizer. And obviously, guys, you'll have all seen these, but for me, these are new. It's like new news. I got some new news to play with. And again, these will come in up and coming videos, but these will be in videos. The next thing that I've got is this 3D glow, and I looked from Catrice and I loved the white one, so I was like, I'm going to get this rosy one. Even if I use it as a blush, it'll look stunning. And then from Essence, I got the Go to Glow, and this was from the site that I got it from, £2 something. I haven't even seen this in the Wilko's. If you have, then you have, but I haven't. So I grabbed that because it was cheaper anyway, because I know the normal one's £2.99. And then I picked up the Prime and Fine multi-talented fixing spray. So this is the, not the dewy one, because I've already got that, and if you tried that, and it makes me extremely dewy. So I thought I'd give this one a go. Why not, she says. And I'm really strange, but I've been after some body oil, because I've obviously mentioned it in videos where I put cream on my legs and body oil on my arms, and I like that, but I wasn't paying. I paid £8 for one from Avon for like 50ml, and I was like, there's got to be somewhere that it's cheaper. It's got to be. And someone was talking about babies anyway, and I was like, baby oil. So I bought myself the Johnson's bath time oil with the eucalyptus one, and this was on offer. I think I saved like 50 odd p for it, but definitely worth it. That is it for my haul. Now I'm going to get into what I got in my glossy box, because I like doing this now as part of my haul, so then you guys sort of get to see the glossy part. The first one we got was Beauty Kitchen Neutraline. Basically it's very similar to the Vaseline tin, she says. I've had it open once. This is why I don't use these tins. Can't get it open, guys. Then I also got the Nailberry Paris London. This is the colour. I've already got a couple of the nail berries, and these do last a while. So guys, I'm really sorry. I'm in a different outfit. I'm in different makeup. My camera cut out. YouTubers make that excuse all the time, but it did. And for the end of the video, I had about 10-15 minutes, if that, for my recording, not for what you to see, left on it, and I was in a rush to go out. Yes, I've got 2 batteries. By the time I'd have changed the batteries, sorted it all out, reset up, I'd have been like, I had to go out. I'm now coming today with the rest of the glossy box bits that I got. The last 2 things that I actually got from the glossy box was this Shake and Shot from Dr. Jar, and it's the plastic baby face. I was going to do this on my channel, and when I saw how much it was, I was like, nah, I'm not paying £10 for one go. Well, I got it in my box, so I can give it a go now. And then the other one was the Mud Masky, because that's what it's called, Aftermath Vitamin Serum. Everybody does a glossy box, or people do glossy box, but for me, I just like tacking them on the end of videos, the way I've already been out and brought makeup, and this way you guys get to see what I got. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry about the break in the middle, but these things can't be helped sometimes. I had to go out. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Any comments, leave below. I would much appreciate it, especially if you've used this Dr. Jar, because I'm worried that I'm going to put the plastic around my nose and it's going to stop me from breathing, because it's got it up his nose and in his mouth, and it's like, I wouldn't do that personally, but I just wondered if anybody had tried this and what's the best way to use this. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. This look will be coming in future videos, so hopefully I get my life sorted and you'll see everything pretty soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.